Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope that you all are doing well. And today is the my uh, third third day in English practicing everyday life. Okay. So today I will practice my English speaking skill on the topic of earthworm. I will tell about the earthworm, how the vermicompost is prepared actually, and uh, what is called the farming of the uh, earthworm. Okay, so actually when the earthworm moves, when earthworm makes the movement, first of all he extend his front part of his body, and on the behalf of front part he just stick his backward portion of his body on the surface of the earth, and whole the body of earthworm is mostly or 100% made of many bristles. Okay, and each bristles are connected with each other. Now we will discuss about how the vermicompost is prepared. Okay, so first of all, we have to collect all the vegetable peels and all the fruits peels in particular place, and then we will also collect the different types of grasses that should be or that may be dry or raw. There will be no problem, and then we will mix the soil on that particular ingredients or substances. Then we will left them uh, 10 to 15 days or half 15 days, approx 15 days we will left them for decay. When the totally the whole soil and all the substances will decay properly, on that after decaying we will put the earthworm, okay, on that particular soil. Then all the earthworm they will consume the decayed soil, and they will absorb the nutrition which will be helpful for the maintenance of earthworm body, and repair also, and growth also. And the substances or the ingredients which are uh, not useful for earthworm, so they will excrete out the undigested food material inside their bodies. Okay, so the farming of the earthworm is called the vermiculture. So guys, if you don't mind, I had not any topic, that's why I'm making the just my objective is to become fluency in English anyhow or any way, and any topics. So thank you, have a nice day, and you also practice your daily life, and you can practice on your daily life planning also. So thank you, have a nice day.